Determined to get out. It's a story of a high school student who is on a mission to uplift himself and his family out of the inner city and out of poverty. As Kian Morgan reports, the fifth former, who has already acquired 7 CSEC subjects, says the remedy to success is getting a good education. More in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
His eyes might be set on the pages of this book, but his vision goes beyond that. This is 17-year-old Daru Burton from Trenchtown in St. Andrew, and in his action plan are strategies aimed at affording his family and himself a better life. The fifth former who attends the Excelsior High School says seeing firsthand the challenges of a hard life from a tender age prompted him to do well in school.
I want my mother and my father to feel proud. My mother and my father, they drop out of school. They drop out of school at an early age, but they didn't make that stop them from becoming who they are now.
Added to that, Daru had always aspired to be great. His mother, Tanisha Gordon, remembers the first time she realized her son's ambition.
Since 5th grade, Daru see a little youth friend of mine's son with one button full up on his shirt and a roll. So Daru did ask him for one, in which the little boy did tell him, say no. So Daru did turn to him and said to him, say, by next year you're going to see me get one.
And that he did, along with a scholarship. Since then, Daru has been excelling. In the 8th grade, Daru was selected among a few top achievers in his school to sit the Caribbean Secondary Examinations, CSEC, in mathematics. Successful in his attempt, Daru challenged himself to acquire more. Now, he has 7 CSEC subjects with a focus in business administration. And in a few months, he'll be sitting another 5, this time broadening his horizon in the sciences.
In the future, I would like to become a genetical engineer or an actuarial scientist. In the future, if I do become successful in one of those careers, one career, I can try again in another field.
Tanisha, who also wants the best for her son, says his determination gives her a ray of hope.
Most time at 4:30, 3:30 in them bells, when I get up to look after something for city, that's them all right before I go work. Me that hear me in the room and talk to himself. I pull the door and study my study. When other people they are them bed asleep. For instance, when the other children outside in front of the window play, him still inside a study, or him da go on the phone and play a little game, on and off game, then the book.
Living in a volatile community, Daru says his hope is to one day help his neighbors too lead a better life. With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.